here we have here, for example, here this will be the video live will be into 2 parts. Thank you. Let's continue. Example here, the X stash is working on what? On here on 7 and 8. Okay, here in 1/1, here with 1 chain here, we work X. Okay, X stash here or 1 over 1 here, 1/1 here, double crochet with 1 chain here, but not next to. For what? I will see here in the practice here. Here we, in the practice here, we work in 5th. Okay? We work here, not work here. I will work here. Okay? In the 1/1, we work here together. Next together, like 7 and 8. But in 1/1 double crochet cross, we work here. Here we work in here and not work in here. Then we work here. Okay. Then we example here, the X stash, okay, is working on the 5th, okay, and don't work on 6, okay, and work on 7. Have you understand? Okay. If you understand, you can ask me and I will repeat it again. I will repeat it again 4 times. Okay. Then I told you here we work the X stash here or 1/1 double crochet next to. For what? Here, for example, here the X stash here is working on 7 and 8. But in 1/1 here with 1 chain here, we work X stash 1/1 double crochet with 1 chain, but not next to. For example, here the X stash is work on 5th. 1 over 1 here, 1 over 1 double crochet with 1 chain here, but not next to. Okay, but for example here, the X stash here is working on the 5th and don't work in 6 and work on 7. Okay, here we have here don't put 1 chain or the X stash, okay, is without 1 chain, like the drawing here, like this. Okay, like this, but we put the X stash here with what the lesson is named 1 over 1 double crochet with 1 chain. What this mean? It mean we put the X the X stash here with 1 chain. Okay, for example, here we have here like this. Have you seen the drawing here? Here we don't put the X stash here without 1 chain, like this. In 1 over 1 double crochet cross here, and we here in 1 over 1 double crochet with 1 chain here we put like this, but we put here 1 chain here. Okay, have you understand the point here? Then we have the last here with a drawing. The drawing here we know all together. Okay, here we have 1, we have here 2, here we have 7 and 8. Here we put 1 double crochet here into 8. Okay, like this. Then in the next one here we put second double crochet. Okay, we put on 7. Okay, 7th. Okay, here. Then here we put the second one here like this. Like this. Here we have here. In it we put the first double crochet in 1/1 cross. We put here in 8, here the first double crochet. Then in the next one here in 7, here we put the second one here double crochet. Have you understand? Okay. Then here the drawing in. Now here 2. Here we have here 1, 2, 3. Here we have here we work 5th and don't work here. Okay, we work here. Okay, then we put the first double crochet on 7 here for what on first one here double crochet. Then we put one chain. Okay, then don't work on 6. Okay, then we work here, put the second double crochet into what? Into the 7. Okay, here we put second double crochet into the 7 like this. Okay, have you understand the difference between 1/1 double crochet cross and 1/1 double crochet with one chain? Okay, here in the 1/1 double crochet cross, here we make in a 7 and 8 next 2 here like this. Then we put the first one here in 1/1 double crochet cross, here the first one in 8. Then we put the second one here, the second one here in 7 here next 2. But in the 1/1, let's see in the practice here to know how. Here we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We work here and I work again. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We work here and here. Here we work here and we put the first double crochet, in 8. Then we make the first one here, the first one here double crochet. Okay, here like this. Then the next one here the second one here we put in the 7 here, we put in the 7 here the second one here double crochet into like this, okay, but in 1/1 here, in 1/1 double crochet with one chain here. Let's see. Here we 1, 2, draw. Here we have here we have here 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 we have here we have here 1 2 3 4 5. Here we have here here we have here we work in fifth. Okay, here we work in fifth. We work here. We're going to work here. Don't work here. Okay, we work here. Okay, we work here. Don't work here. We work here. Okay, here we here we make here the first one here double crochet. Here we make here the first one here double crochet. Don't work here. Then in the second one here we put here double crochet. First we make here one chain here. Okay, then don't work here. Okay, then we work here into the next one here. We make here double crochet like this. Okay, here we work here. We put the first one here double crochet. Then we put one chain here. Don't work here. Then we put here in the second one here double crochet here. Here we put the second one here double crochet. Let's see in the practice. Here we here we here we 1 2 3 4. We 1 2 3 4. We work here. Don't work here. Then I work here. In here we put the first one here. The first one here. The first one here double crochet like this. Here's the first one here. We make here double crochet. Okay, here we make here the first one here double crochet. Then one chain here. Okay, then don't work here. like this. Okay, then like this. Here we have here like this. Let's repeat. Then we make what? We make here. After we finish here, we make here one chain. Then don't work here. Here we. After we make here 1/1 double crochet with one chain here. We make here one chain here. Don't work here. Okay. Then I work here. Okay. Then let's repeat it again. Here after here we work here. Then don't work here. I work here. Okay. Here I put here the first one here double crochet. Okay. We put here one chain. Then don't work here. Then in here we make the second one here double crochet here. Let's make it into the practice. Here we have here we make one chain here. Then we don't work here. We work here. Don't work here. We work here. Here we make the first one here. Make double crochet here. Then we make here one chain here. Then don't work here. Then don't work here. We work for what here? We work here. We work here. Here we don't work here. We don't work here. We work here. Then we work the second one here like this. Have you seen it? Have you like this pattern? Okay. Let's repeat it again. Let's repeat again. Here one chain. Then don't work here. Here one chain here. Don't work here. Then I work here. Okay. I work here. Don't work here. I will work here. Okay. I work here. Don't work here. Then I work here. Okay. Here I work. Here I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Have you have any questions? question? Have any question? If you don't understand, you can write. Don't be afraid. I will. Okay. Have you understand me? If you don't understand, don't be afraid. I will repeat it again. Any question? Okay, let's continue. I told you here we put in here the first one here double crochet is a 7. Then one chain here as I told you, don't work here. Then we work here the second one here double crochet here. The practice. Let's repeat it again. Okay. Here we have here one. We make here one chain here. Then we don't work here. Then I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Here I put here the first here. Don't work here. I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Let's see. Here, don't work here. I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Here, I put the first double crochet here. One chain here like this. Then we don't work here. Don't work here. Then I work here the second double crochet here like this. Okay. Have you like this pattern? Okay. Let's repeat it for last time. Here you have to understand. What will I repeat to know? Here we work here. Don't work here. I work here. Let's make it for last time. Here I make one chain here. Then don't work here. Then I work here. Don't work here. Then I work here. I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Here I make the first one here double crochet. Then one chain here. Don't work here. Then I make the second one here double crochet like this. Okay. Here we make here we make here one chain here. Then don't work here. I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Here I make here Don't work here. I work here. Don't work here. I work here. Here I make here. The first one here, double crochet like this. Then one chain here. Then we don't work here. I will work here. The second one here, double crochet again. Then we make here. Then we don't work here. Then we going to work here. Work here. Make here. The second one here, double crochet here. Okay. Here I repeat. I have finished my lesson today. I hope I okay. And you have on Arabic on my Facebook on Arabic, and here is the English if you want to see it. Thank you very much. I hope you love this pattern. Thank you very much for all nice followers and nice people. Thank you very much, and I will see you on Arabic. We will make workshop new source of small crochet flower on Arabic on Wednesday soon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will see again for a new pattern and a new lesson and a new crochet course. Thank you very much. I really thank you for Rana. Thank you for all. Don't forget the video will be 2 parts. Okay, the first part is for the starting part, is part 2 with the continue.